Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and I'm going to be talking about how to find the best UV light for your indoor method or icebox setup. So you're not going to want to miss this video. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright guys, so you've probably seen in my past videos that I do a lot of icebox icing videos and showing how I made my own icebox, indoor method, whatever you want to call it. And all the time, and in every video, we always talk about the UV light, but I never really gone into depth about the UV light. And so in this video, I want to really make clear of what UV light you should be going after, you know, which one to buy, and which one's the best bang for your buck. So this is the one I have right here. It's always in my description, so you guys can go down in my description if you want to get the same one that I got. I get it right off of Amazon. The prices change from time to time. I bought it for around like 75 bucks, I think, which is one of the cheaper ones because a lot of them can go up to 150 to 200 bucks. But we're going to get into that. This is the Max's Sun. It says it down here, and then it says it on the side right here. This is the one I have. I've had no problems with this. I've had this for just under a year. I've used it on multiple shoes, probably over 20 shoes. Yeah, way over 20 shoes. And I've had no problems with it. In other UV lights, some people say that, you know, the lights burn out or it doesn't work all the time, all of that. I've never had a problem with it. And like I said, I've done over 20 pairs of shoes. No issues whatsoever. Even with the heating up, it doesn't get too overheated because it's got its own insulated fan right here. So no issues with that. This right here is just to hang it. It comes with it, and I just, you know, hang it from whatever's in my closet, and I hang like that over my icebox, or you could also just set it on top. Now, talking about this specific one, this one is a 600 watt one. I know you can watch other videos, and some people will say, you know, go after the 1000 watt, all of that. I'm here to tell you that I don't think it's that big of a difference. Yeah, I still haven't gotten a 1000 watt one yet, but I really feel like I don't need to because this is 600 watts, and I've literally had no problems with it, and I iced all my shoes up. You guys seen it in all my videos. So why am I gonna pay an extra, you know, 50 to 100 bucks for the same results? Like, there's no point. So I'm trying to help you guys save some money too. 600 watts, this one at least for 600 watts, like, it does the job and it gets it done. I don't think it's going to be any faster with 1000 watts. I don't think there's any like big difference there, so I wouldn't really worry about that. But anyway, like I said, so the lights, I have had no issues with it. Now with these lights, okay, so there's like purple, blue, and I think like yellow maybe. Those are the three colors of this UV light. When you get it, I have not tried just like a black light. People have asked me, have you tried just a black light? How about just a really bright yellow light? Any of that stuff? That stuff's not gonna work. Okay, I haven't used it, but I just know it's not gonna work because of the UV in here and doing some research on it. That purplish, pinkish look, that is what reacts with the sauce on the shoe, which is what gets that, you know, all the yellowing out. You need that part of the UV light. Just a bright light won't do anything to it. I know a lot of people think because if you put in the sun it'll work, but you got to think that the sun isn't just like a light. The sun actually has, you know, nutrients and vitamins and all that kind of stuff in it. And in the future, if you guys do want me to do a video on like sunlight versus the indoor method, I would definitely be down to do it, just so you guys can see if there's a difference. I stay away from the outdoor method, you know, with the sun and stuff because of soul separation. In the past, I've done it and had a lot of soul separation. Just, again, probably because I wasn't monitoring it as much. But the good thing is with the indoor method, you don't really have to monitor it. So, like, with the sun out there, you got to be like, okay, make sure in an hour and a half or 2 hours, I got to go get it. Indoor method, you can leave it in for 24 hours and forget about it, and you're not going to have any soul separation. So that's why I do encourage the indoor method, just so you don't ruin your guys' shoes. And I've never ruined my shoes from this. If anything, I just made them better. So there's no negative, really, thing to the indoor method besides it can take longer sessions. That's really the only big thing. Now, on this light specifically, okay, the Max's Sun one, there is only one switch right here. One switch. That is it, okay? On and off. Now, there's other ones out there. Again, I've had people in my comments saying, you know, one says like blooming or because it's a flower light. Guys, this isn't made for shoes. And I hate to burst everyone's bubble. This isn't made for shoes. This is made for growing plants and stuff like that. But somehow we turned it into for shoes. So a lot of them obviously are plant settings. It's like blooming and other things, vegetation stuff like that. I'm here to tell you I have no clue what settings to do for all that. That's why I have one switch, because I don't feel like trying to figure it out. And again, I don't know how that all works. So I'm just here to tell you, if you are going to get one, a UV light, you don't have to get the one I got, but if you get one, try to get one similar where there's only one switch. You will see on there if it has different settings and stuff, like don't get those ones because it's a lot more challenging. I've had too many people ask me, you know, what settings, it doesn't work, blah, 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 blah. I don't know a setting. What setting do you put yours on? I don't put mine on a setting. All I do is turn it on and off. That's it. So I would try to eliminate that extra factor out of the equation and just do one on and off instead of like vegetation, blooming, all this stuff, because then you're going to have to figure it out. You have to teeter with it. And I know you can probably get that thing to work, but did you guys really want to try to figure that out? No. Okay, it's not worth it. Just find one like this, okay? Now, I'm also going to put it on right now just to show you guys. So, alright, so just plug it in the side right here. Now, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this because it might be too bright, but turn it on. There it is. I've kind of put it to the side so you can see the lights inside of it. I don't know how it's going to look on the camera. It's super bright. Do not look into this with your eyes. Trust me. Okay? You can look through the back, but don't peek around because you can blind yourself. Don't do it. Okay? But you can probably hear it too. The fan is going automatically. It's cool up top. Cool air up top, trying to keep this thing, not getting overheated. But yeah, that is the light. Again, it's 600 watts, guys. You don't need the 1,000 watts. I truly believe you do not need it because I've had too many good results with this. And why waste $50 to $100 when you don't need to? Again, it's called the Full Spectrum LED Lighting by Maxison. It's like Maxison. If you go to my description, you guys will be able to find it. And you can go right to the exact link and probably find similar ones right around there. But that is all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, please smash the like button. And lastly, if you like this channel and you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks, and do you want to be icy? Well, it starts in the soul. I'm going to see you next time.